The single most important rule for financial freedom is simple. Always spend less than you earn. If you earn $3,000 a month but spend $3,500, you're going backwards. Debt grows, stress grows, and your future shrinks. However, if you spend $2,500 and save $500, your money starts working for you. You build a safety net and create freedom. Here's how to do it. Track your expenses, know where your money goes. Remember, spending less isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. It's the foundation of financial success. So earn more if you can, but always keep your spending in check. Make it a habit for your future self.